With an aim to preserve the existing medicinal plants and traditional healing as led by the ancestors to keep on practice, the Ribhoi Traditional Healer Association held a general meeting at Community Hall, Paham's Aim recently to discuss preservation of traditional healing and medicinal plants available in the forests under Ribhoi district. Jasper D. Manik, President of the association, informed that soon the association will start for the construction of Meghalaya Traditional Healing Clinic at Paham's Aim. This traditional healing clinic was sponsored by BRDC under Planning Department to the Government of Meghalaya at the estimated amount of 8 lakh rupees. Nongpor legislator Meryl Bon's Aim also extended his support to the association for the need to preserve traditional healing and medicinal plants. The Silver Jubilee